Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is King Tut. Today I will be talking about my life.
Sorry, King Tut.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is King Tut. Today I will be talking about my life. I was born in 1342 BC. I became pharaoh when I was in 1336 BC when I was only 9 years old. When I became pharaoh, I changed my name from King Tutankhaten to King Tutankhamun. Many of you might have not known that because people know me just as King Tut. I got married when I was 10 years old and I was about 18 or 19 when I died. Because I lived long ago, many facts about my life are a mystery. For instance, even I'm not sure how I died. I may have been poisoned by one of my advisors, chief priest, the horn had done, my army general. But I was buried in a tomb small for a pharaoh because my larger tomb wasn't finished being built yet. Curse those workers. Fortunately for me, servants came and put food and furniture in my tomb and little mini statue because they believed that they would come to life and then I would have everything I would need in the afterlife. My tomb is in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt. Ramesses the VI's tomb was built right on top of my tomb. That's why it was so hard to find my tomb. This is a picture of my tomb. That's the antechamber. That's the burial chamber where I was buried. That's my sarcophagus, and that is the treasury where all the food and furniture and gold is. In my tomb were thousands of treasure, including a gold mask and a gold sarcophagus. Many of you might not know that it took 10 years to remove everything from my tomb. This was also buried in my tomb. This is my serpent staff, and many pharaohs had this, but this is mine. And the serpent on this shows this is the symbol of my power over life and death. That means that my soul will live on, and then I will be in the afterlife. Many people admire me because I became pharaoh of Egypt when I was only 9 years old. If I could give you some advice, that advice would be to surround yourself with people you can trust. Well, maybe don't get married when you're only 10 years old. Thank you for listening to my presentation.